Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a pretty weird gadget I found on Amazon. It's called the LED Faucet Light. And if you can read right there, it says, now high-tech world of popular electronic products, rotation can be installed at the tap on the use of, comma, and allows you to tap the water column color, comma, glorious! Couldn't have said it better myself. Basically, you install this on any tap or any one of your water faucets. Bathroom sink, kitchen sink, it shows. It just goes right on the end, just screws right on the end of your faucet. And based on your water temperature, it'll change colors. So this I'm pretty curious about, and you can see right there on the pictures, the different color water that's coming out of it. Pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna install this bad boy and see how it works. Let's go. All right guys, here I am in my bathroom sink, and it's supposed to fit multiple faucets. It comes with this little end piece here with a little screen, and here's the actual gadget itself. Looks like this just screws on, and there's the lights on the bottom. So this is how my water comes out now. Just kind of like a sloppy stream. And this is supposed to have some kind of a, supposed to have like more of a water jet feature, makes your water come out faster. So actually, that won't work. Okay. First off, it's made of kind of cheap plastic. It's not metal, it's plastic. So I think this goes in like that. Yep, that looks good. And there we go. Yeah, fits pretty nice. I mean, I don't want to break it, twisting it too hard. I mean, adds that extra inch to the bottom of your faucet, but I don't think it'll get in the way. No, not bad. All right, so now the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. It doesn't have batteries in it. It's supposed to just light up based on the water current. It's like a water generator, like a little mini generator in this thing. I doubt it, but it's supposed to work. And then right here, the RGB, it changes by color. So water temperature is under 31 degrees Celsius, it will be blue. Between 32 and 43 degrees Celsius, it's going to be green. And when the water is between 44 and 50 degrees Celsius, it'll be red. And above 51, it'll flash red. That's kind of annoying. Well, let's check this out. And, oh wow. Okay. So that's cold. You hear that? It makes a little noise. There you go. I do like that it does have higher water pressure, and you saw how weak the stream was before, so I do like that. But the blue light's kind of cool. Let's turn the lights out. Yeah, I like it. Check that out. All right, so let's turn the cold water off, and let's turn the hot water on. It makes a little whining noise. You hear that? It's kind of weird. Okay, there's the green. It doesn't gradually change from blue to green. It just kind of flashes. It's just kind of awkward. There we go. Wow, that's weird. There's the red. Turn the lights back on. So do you guys see that? It doesn't gradually change from one color to the next. It kind of flashes as the water temperature gets hotter. So look at that. Let's turn it back to cold. Okay, that wasn't that bad. They're just hard changes, but going up, it's flashing. Okay, now it's working pretty good. There it goes. That's what I'm talking about. That's kind of weird. Let's see if we can make it flash red. No? Apparently my water doesn't get that hot. Turn the light off again. Darkness. The red is a lot dimmer than the blue and the green. It actually lights up pretty nice. All right. There it is. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't know what else to say about this thing. It's just an LED faucet light. Do you need it? No. But when I saw it, did I have to have it? Yeah. I did an LED accessories light a few months back. I'll put a link right above me here. You guys can check that out. I wish I knew about this one then. I would have included it in that video. Also, if you're like me and have to have every useless gadget on Amazon, I will put links in the description box below. Click that link, you get up-to-date pricing. I believe I paid $6.99 for this thing, but it can go on sale anytime. Click the link below, up-to-date pricing, buy it through my link, go. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.